What's going on, guys? We're on a little road trip this Saturday. We're going down to Ocean City, New Jersey. We're meeting up with my aunt and uncle who rented a house down there for a week, and my parents are meeting us down there too, actually. So it is almost 10:30 a.m. right now, and we're in the Challenger. We just left my house, well, my apartment, and we're heading down there. It should take right around an hour or so, maybe slightly over that. Hopefully traffic will cooperate. It should at this hour in the morning on a Saturday. Most people who are going down the shore in this state tend to go down Friday night, and as a result, the roads around Philly are a parking lot and all that fun stuff. So hopefully it's a drama-free ride, and we'll see you guys when we get down there. The Garden State Parkway. This road, I gotta say, has gotten a lot better than it used to be. They've been working on it for a couple of years now, honestly. You know, road work always takes forever, but they are, in fairness, redoing a lot of parts of this highway, so getting on it from the Atlantic City Expressway isn't nearly as bad as it used to be. It does still back up because there's only one lane open, but once they finish it, it should be a lot better. But we're not too far from the exit to Ocean City, so we'll see you guys there soon. God. All right, so we're in Ocean City and we found a car show actually, so we decided to stop and take a look, and we just got here, and look at this Vette. Massive tires on it. I don't know what that's about.
Oh my god, it rides on the beach. These are beach tires.
Beach tires. Okay, so this Corvette rides on the beach. That's insane.
Huh. Oh my god, it
holds fishing rods. Look at this old thing going by. That is cool. You can't even hear it run. Yeah. Oh god, don't even joke about that. He just said, what is it, a Prius? A steam engine. Alright, now that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's wide so wide. You can hear this.
Yeah, yeah. Looks like we got some old muscle cars over here. you know, I brought my car down here, but I don't think it'd be quite at home in this show. They don't seem to have any new stuff here. Thunderbird. 57. This one's for sale. A Mercury Cougar. 67. 87 Lincoln Town Car. 48 Chevy. Oh, this is neat. Gotta look at this. Oh, cool. Here's a 57 Bel Air. Fuel injection. Wow. Love the look of these cars. I think the 57 might be my favorite. This is rare fuel.
Now, of course, in today's engine.
Oh yeah, here we go. Hemi Charger, baby. Look at that. 69.
Yeah, that music I don't think will ever die. Same way you guys are seeing tonight. All those bands.
What?
The music's still there. Even if
Oh yeah? So now we've hit some Mopars here. It's a Dodge Super Bee and a Charger RT. 440, 426 Hemi.
Skinner. Yeah.
This one has the painted roof, not the vinyl roof. Awesome. Dodge. It's a Dodge Super. 69 and a half. What else we got here? Some old MGs. 57. MGA. A 64 Triumph TR4. These are cool. 63 Falcon. 71 MGB. And another MGB, a 79.
Trash.
Yeah. I always like these old MGs. They're neat. Got a
The sweet white strips.
289 in it. It's a fastback too. These are the best. Ooh, this has red interior.
That's why I said red on red on red.
That's really cool. Yeah, I like that. This one looks like it might be all original.
It screams its time. It's so cool. I like it. Has so many.
It is.
So many edges.
Yeah, 1960 Impala. Yeah, these things are so awesome. I love those big, the fins. Yeah,
And like the tail lights
I love these Impalas.
with like the cone.
They're just sweet. Convertible too. Perfect day to drive this around. Yeah, great car. 70 Chevelle SS. Oh man. High output 454, 450 horsepower. Beautiful. This thing must be a lot of fun. This has the high output 454, 450 horsepower. This was the top engine you could get for this bad boy. Oh wow, this is a 3-speed. I feel like I don't see that as much on these cars. Most of them I've seen are 4-speed manuals. This has the 3-speed auto. What a great looking car. It's an old cop car. Dodge Coronet. That's really neat.
Give out a few tickets here.
Getting ready. Matter of fact, actually, I'm all ready. I got a boat shirt on here. She just did her braid. I'm looking good, as always.
What a view, man. What a view. Beautiful day here in Ocean City, New Jersey. Can't wait to hit the beach. Say hi. So clear. What a great day at the beach.
Alright guys, so I'm back home and obviously I didn't get a ton of footage of the beach and stuff. That car show that we came across just basically consumed the whole video. I apologize if you wanted to see more of that stuff. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos because one of the reasons I didn't get a lot of footage was because well, for one, I probably should have taken the camera with me a little bit more, but we were only down there for a day and a half or so. We got down there, around 11 something maybe, or maybe 12 something. Saturday, and then we left Sunday evening. And I mean, we were with my family and, you know, my parents, my aunt and uncle, a cousin that I haven't seen in a while. So I kind of wanted to spend a little bit of time with them and, you know, have dinner and have some good times on the beach and stuff. But Allie took a little bit of footage of the ocean and stuff, but not as much as I originally intended to take. But like I said, stay tuned for more videos. If you want to see that kind of stuff and personal trips, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know. Because, I mean, if that's more stuff you want to see as well as the car stuff and any of that I happen to post, lawnmower videos, whatever. I post quite a variety here. I am taking a vacation down to Cape May, New Jersey in August. It's going to be like a long weekend kind of thing, and probably going to go down to the Delaware Beach again, down near Dewey Beach, Delaware, and maybe into Rehoboth, we'll see, for just like one day over a weekend. And I will try to take the camera with me and get more stuff because I do enjoy making those types of videos. So be sure to subscribe if you are not, because like I said, I'm making this a different year with more videos, and there's actually some cool stuff coming up for the Challenger actually. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but we are modding the car. I decided, you know what, let's have fun with this car while I have it. Like I stated in my video talking about the Demon and stuff like that. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.